Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi was super excited at the grocery store with Mommy. "Look," she giggled, pointing at a tower of bright oranges. Mimi zoomed a little too fast, and her tiny arm accidentally bumped a basket, making one orange roll right off the table. The orange rolled plink and stopped near a kind lady's foot. Mimi saw it, and she saw the lady pick it up. Mimi felt a bit shy and looked at her shoes. She didn't say anything, even though she knew she had bumped it. Mommy gently took Mimi's hand. "Mimi," she whispered, "when we accidentally make something fall or bump into someone, it's important to say, 'I'm sorry.' It shows we care, and it makes people feel better." Mimi looked at the kind lady. Her tummy felt a little wobbly, but she remembered Mommy's words. Mimi took a tiny breath. "I'm sorry," she said in a small voice. She felt a little nervous, but brave. The kind lady smiled a big, warm smile. "Thank you for saying sorry, Mimi," she said. "That makes me feel much better." Mimi's tummy stopped feeling wobbly and started to feel warm and happy. Saying "I'm sorry" felt good after all.